E whātalo whātu le, pa ia ma le malo si tato atu nui le nei tu lao le aso. O tato polo kalama masani nei o Saili le Atamai. O loi lalo le wawa ainga tato kolisi tu whātas. Tato kolisi tā, sia tato kolisi le nei. So we have to really work hard to promote our community college in nei tato atu nui. Ya o tato kolisi i nei mapusanga. Ma le tato prestene, te tae tato kolisi le sunga le fōma e ia Rose Vaughan ma ka ewi pato. O te mi umana mai whai ai a tato polo kalama. E tahaua uma polo kalama ia e tau ma whai a Saili le Atamai. E a matu le upu ma le au auna a le nei a le tato kolisi tu whātasi. A wā lawa le whia tau tua ma le au au nai whānau o tato atu no. Ai whapea fo ia tātou mātua lo whainga ruenga e māna oi. Awe ni vesenga i le awhiawhi ia o inei fo i e mawai le nā fo i au au na. E mawhai na wala au mai ma whisiri fo i inisi o tatou ofisa i nei kolisi. Ia ma whaamala malama atu fo i winga o mata upu ma mea mwhai ona au au na i le awhiawhi. Tutuila ma manua, ia ta oto ia o pa ia ma mamalu, whale atunu. Ngā loso i fua maua ma le langi e mama i le nei tu lao le aso. O pa ia ngā tutuila ma manua la le toi o ie se upu. Ai, ta ono whape atu ia ma loso i fua maua. Patalo whatu tina ma tama o si tato atunu ono whanofo mai le whale ma mai moa mai i le tato polo kalama. O le ala wa tatou whātasi ai nei masisi polo kalama fo i matangofia i nei tatou kolisi tu whātasi. Wa ta ua nei o le PTK ai o le atu o atu le sunga ya kuki. O le toi pose lilo tuli manua tau tua fo i nei ali i nei i tutuila ma manua. A wala wa tatou whanau i nei tatou kolisi tu whātasi. O le sila le polo kalama o lalo le wawa ai ngā a le sunga ya kuki tu ya sopo le atu o atu ya kuki. Se on sau noa mai. Po le hafo le winga tonu fo i o le nehi kalapu le wa au mai e ia. E whamalama atu i tangata si tato atu nuu ia mea le lei o loo whaia i nei tato kolisi ia ma loso i fo maua kuki. It is so good to have you. And every time I email you, you know, I got a lot of things that I have to tell the people. Yeah, my Lord, I say, kako tell the people. I say, spaya so sa unoanga po il sabal bali mayo lo sunga ya, ai whapea ia, il whanau nei, il tato polo kalama.
Ia whaftaira whati mamula unua, matu moenga fu i ni aso. Matu sabal bali e mawhana wa onge. E whaisina wha matalanga o le ne fu i ngā ruenga matu te whaia mawhana wa onga ne o le vaenga ne ta ua o le PTK o le Phi Theta Kappa. O le vaenga ne o le PTK o le society lea mo whanawa o ngā ua ausia tongi mawarunga i lisi. O le PTK fu i o le society mai Amerika. E le o se mea na whawhau i nei, o le mea na whau i Amerika. Nā mataina le nei i whalaputu tonga le tausanga tasiva sifuri balu. Nā o watu ma se lau tausanga le whalaputu tonga le PTK. Ma o le tra ua le nei whakaputu tonga ina ia tu mai le avanua mo whanawa o ngā ikolisi community colleges. A mi se lava whanawa o ngā wausia tongi mawarunga ikolisi community college.
Is this like what's that prestige?
A prestigious student organization.
Student organization.
For it's an honor program.
Yeah.
For students who achieve a certain
like
academic.
honor society, the high schools,
So with whalaputunga nei ina ia tu eleva noa I whanawa o ngau ausia tongi mo runga ina ia mo waili scholarship. Wa pe o le meana e tu matai lawa e tō tino o le whalaputonga o skola sipi e sosoani ai ma whaatupena ai le arwaru I lunga o ngar whanau pe a Matu Community College na o le university. Ia ma whapena o na whaamalusi ai nisi fu o skills ar whanau a honga pela o le ia ate ai ma taitai. Le sifu I skill leo o le tuinganga luna fui lea au nanga I tua I ainga manuku community service e au lua mas tutongi. O le isi fu I mea tā ua PTK le ia whaamalusi ai o nā runga tongi le lei ma mea whapena I rato wasinga e lautu te avea ia ma le anganga lava o le tuwhasasia o loto tamaiti na ia lato tamawhai e whaia se mea le lei mo le tunu le angana le whalaputonga o le PTK la pe o se whakmalunga te lena ai o na la ese I polisi tu whaatasi I Amerika ma territory peila o nei tato polisi e le la PTK e wa whaingoaina la I le Alpha Epsilon Mu e ngoa o tato la nei po chapter
o le whaopunga ngā se whaopunga
o whaopunga whaelengi
ia whaelengi
ia mautou te le loa reu
ia wae ke le au kakao mai mea PTK I ngei tato I le tato lau mua whape o le ale wingo le mea la le whamai e le malamalama ia le la wha malamalama ku nei I tato polo kalama o le whaopunga
whaopunga e len ia e le se lo se winga le mea tā o e le la wai tatawa na whaingoa e len ia e le la I hawa ia e ngofu ia ingoa e len whapia ia a le whamalmarunga te le lava ia o societe o le PTK Phi Theta Kappa e ai la te ona whamatala atu mua o le la I nei tato polisi tu whaatasi o whaingoa ina le Alpha Epsilon Mu ia mātou la o le la nei po le chapter polisi na whaavaina I le tasi iwa fitu iwa so ai o le tato polisi na whaavai le tasi iwa fitu tasi le tasi iwa fitu iwa whaavai chapter a le PTK nei polisi
o te le la tausanga o
e le tausanga wa ato ni fastu lima tausanga o le la nei tōna tato polisi e toa lima lava tō tino o le chapter nei a tātou polisi sa whapaina sa iai le sunga o le sunga whawhenanga I a Silangi Solomona ia ma le whaletua ua tūmārofu I le sunga whaletua I a Mary Mangiu sa ia manisi tō tino tō ea so tō lima ala tō sa whapaina a onga nai nei polisi sa siwa fituiva Yo na sawa ya le lava la ma te pene ya I ma tau ave tatu la le motua
malo a se la matango fie mataua mo whanau malo ku ki sam noa se masalo le atu la le sunga presteni o PTK le sunga ya Don Hong sau noa mai fu po le afu ilanga I to po afo e mea o fuafuai e le PTK for the Nesa Master man Don welcome I know you Don yeah our program is bilingual so it's up to you okay so is your Samoan is good yeah you know ka ofele fa Samoa a fa sa pasui a fa pawan mea ya malama mai I tanga to sita to atunu I lo saunoanga but it's good to have you can you say a little just a brief talk about PTK
Sure. Well, the mission here at PTK is not just to acknowledge academic excellence amongst our students, but it's also to create opportunities for those same students in leadership and also in being able to help our other peers and the community itself. right? So we pretty much base a lot of our decisions and the things that we do here in PTK off of our 4 pillars, which is scholarship, leadership, character, and service. And so through those 4 pillars, we were able to make decisions, and being able to uphold those pillars helps us to be able to make wiser and better decisions, to be able to help not just people here in the campus, or not just people in our community, but also people around American Samoa. And so my experience here at PTK has been amazing. We've done many different community service projects that helped the community. We did a couple of fundraisers as well, and we were really able to kind of engage with the students here at ASCC and also with the people in American Samoa.
Yeah, mostly your peers here at the college, to try and help them out with this kind of prestige. Don, can I ask you a question? I mean, I would think you would go straight to college after high school. What made you want to stay back here at ASCC for the 2 years?
With the plan that I had a very set plan on what I wanted to do and where I wanted to go. ASCC was able to help build my character and also be able to challenge me in different areas and aspects, not just academically, but also outside of school as well.
Yeah.
Helping with time management and leadership and so on and so forth, right? Being here these last 2 years, I've not only been able to kind of engage with the community and people here at ASCC, but also to be able to grow as a person.
Yeah,
And so-
and get you ready, so when you go off on into the bigger,
Right.
that you have already experienced yourself in college life and
Correct.
yeah. What do you think? I mean, would you recommend to our students here in American Samoa after high school to try and come and take? We're trying to promote our,
Yeah.
is it good for them to come and take the 2 years here at ASCC and then go?
I think it's a great idea. ACC is accredited,
Yeah.
and I think it helps you be able to figure out what you want to do. You know, a lot of people come out of high school and they don't know what they want to do, and therefore they kind of just go through whatever motion. But the real understanding is that the outside world, outside of here in American Samoa, is very fast paced.
Yeah.
And if you are not ready for the fast paced world, you're
You'll get
ultimately gonna,
get homesick.
yeah,
and all
homesick,
that,
or there are going to
yeah.
be hiccups along the road. And
Yeah.
being here at ACC has, I recommend them doing the 2 years here. And the great part about PTK is that we also offer scholarship benefits.
Yeah.
Again, Mr. Kuki mentioned that PTK is not just just here in American Samoa, but it's a worldwide organization, specifically here in the Pacific region as well. We offer a lot of scholarships for students that want to go to colleges in the States. And so once they finish their 2 years here and they apply for scholarships within the exclusive scholarships when you become a member of PTK, it'll help you a lot with tuition and so on and so forth.
Yeah. And I feel officially, Don. Well, because of Don was here, a Carol, a home, o inge mo kaka pisingisi. Kaka o mawhainga umale ao ngā high school, ave lola ko whanga ui whafo. E foi lai I tamaitai And yet, wa iai se tō whama mau I le atali. E lea e mo ia e mawhai e o ngā mātua na ave sakoa. A le naunga le whatu e nei atali I. E le ai le lau tau mawhai e ave lau lua tau sanga le I nei tutu na mo manu e kolisi o le maanga I kako kolisi. So it's a good experience to talk to our students that are coming to ASCC and say, take your 2 years here, get yourself ready and prep up for the big guys that are up there. Thank you so much, Daniel. I'll come back to you and ask you more questions. I'll to Ile VP. Tamaitai au lele makofenga for a while here last year. She's very good.
Thank you.
Introduce yourself and your
So my name is Veronica Tuna. I'm from Cocoland or Kafuma.
President?
I am the vice president of PTK, and this is actually my first time being this is my first time being a vice president in something. So it was nerve-wracking in the beginning, but with the members that we have right now and future members as well, it's been an amazing experience this past 3 to 4 weeks, being able to take charge, helping Dawn and other officers. It's been really nice. I've noticed how I've been coming out of my shell because I'm not very talkative.
I know. When you came up here, you were very quiet. I have to come. Hi, how are you? My name. And she said, "Yeah, I know you."
Yes, yes. It's been very great.
And then when she left here, kawabasang yung mayama.
Oh yes. Now I say hi to everybody.
Now you're coming out of your shell.
Yes, it's been an amazing experience. Even in the beginning because I just got inducted last semester, and the services that we did, the projects and other programs, it was able to help me be more out there with the community or with just with my members. I was able to see different perspectives, see the opportunities that PTK was able to offer. Even PTK is able to give you information about the college and things that I never knew was there if I never asked. So being part of it and being able to have this position and help future members or current members, I'm very proud of it, honestly.
Good. What made you stay back for 2 years here and not go straight to the U.S.?
Yes. Same with our president. I also had a plan. Because of certain hiccups along the way, I realized I wasn't fully prepared because I did take classes out in the States, in the BYU in Idaho, and I was completely a wreck. I was very homesick. Even when I tried to come out of my shell, it did not work very well. So officially, I had to come home, and other personal reasons. But being able to be here, as President mentioned, I was able to actually focus and realize that there are a lot of things I do not understand. And the ASCC was able to help me in those certain situations. For example, financial aid. Those are very important. And as well as being part of PTK, I was able to know those different scholarships that were available, especially in this area. So it helped me grow.
And it's so good because then you meet all different kinds of students. Take for instance, Dawn, and then what's your name? Queenie. Yes. Queenie and your other peers that are in PTK, and it'll prepare you, you know, and it'll really prepare you to
like what she was saying. This is her first opportunity to become a vice president. She would never have this opportunity if she had stayed
up there.
Off island. And that's one thing. That's one good thing about being a student here. Because of our population here, there's room for students to get certain opportunities. If you go to school, universities and colleges off Island Street from high school, I mean,
you get lost.
It's shocking. It's culture shock because, you know, from a small population to a bigger school, you know, it's shock for our young people. But the good thing here is that it provides opportunities such as this to have positions such as these young people to grow and learn and develop themselves.
And then get together with their own, you know, Kenya makama Samoa, and you converse with them in your Samoan language and that, Yidisi, Yamadwa, Yake, Yala, we're comfortable. We're comfortable in the college life and everything, and thinking, kolisi alulola kolisi America. Alawo mo ako si experiencing how to go through college life, Queenie. Queenie, you're so pretty, ma. I don't say.
Thank you so much.
Queenie, are you? Or you look so familiar. Yes, introduce my la. Yeah, introduce my la. Yo, Queenie.
Wow, Queenie Fomai. And I'm the secretary for our PTK club here at ASCC.
Your mom? For Maile I Lipopua.
Yeah.
Okay. Your grandfather is
Oh, my dad is Francis Fomai.
Francis. I thought you looked familiar. Kalo Phi. Yeah. Okay. So tell us more about your PTK being a member.
Well, my experience is no different from these two. Kay kusama ko, you know,
Yeah.
what we went through. I got inducted the same semester she got inducted. And it's been
Good.
it's been good.
Yeah.
It's been
So
good.
are you looking forward to going up to the US to further your college degree and all?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm looking through a couple of schools right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Right.
still undecided, but
How,
We're in
how,
there.
how do you like it here at ASCC since you've been here with going through college work and everything?
Easy kalway, you know, everybody, you know,
Yoy.
Samoa, like you kind of,
yes.
yes.
And then like me ngang thing nguya
Sa-
thing nguya nga ready le alu e fe America. Yeah, that's good. Well, well, congratulations to all of you.
Thank you.
You know,
Thanks so
making
much.
PTK because that's a higher level or ko o nga i kolisi o le level nga ma try and help our other kids that are here. You know,
Yes.
our kids, our youth here needs a lot of help, and you guys will be great role models for us.
And I think being a member of PTK makes them feel good about themselves.
Yeah.
And you know, it makes a certain group of students stand out from the rest, which is a good thing. And it's it for mo isi whanawa o ngai
Ioe.
pia tau wai la to ia la to wa ia te mawhai fu i o tu ai lisi fu i o vaenga le whatu a ofisa ni so
Pinga foi down.
o dan la sa president level bo ni un tau
Kausang.
una semester ai fora vaenga le so o ringa la na whaamtalanga le na whaamtala tu mo wa vanua mo vaenga le mo
Ioe.
tino le society e o mai ai tu langa whaataitai
Yeah.
ina ia whapena ona ilo ai me te taun whai ma te mo whai ngā rua fu mai si taitai o le society ina awase ngā ruenga le le e whai mo rea o ngā mo sina au nanga
Yeah, and it's a good experience, Pio le Samoa Monica, Veronica. I mean, it brought her out of her shell,
Yes, yeah.
and even for Don, when I used to, I know Don very well with the young parents, Carol Masolep, but he's very shy. You know, but I don't think so now. Eli Don, you're very friendly. Pio looking friendly koe, but o koe ngā ka meki lang e la venga folia. Yeah. Ngā whakau no, let's work together and you know koe ngā attitude lang o aku foi lai o i Amerika. Yo, wai lo me kong whai. And they blend right in with the
Yeah.
other kids because amaka.
Yeah.
Don, is there anything else you would like to add on to PTK and what you see here at our ASCC?
To touch base on more about my experience here at ACC, it wasn't what I had initially thought of at first. You know, when I was in high school, there was always this negative connotation or this bad light that would shine upon ACC, saying if you went there, you're pretty much, you know, so on and so forth. Right? I'm not going to say, but those are some of the things that I've heard people say. And so there was always this bad light shine upon ACC and people who go there. But being here has been a very humbling experience. More so, you know, it's actually been a very good experience. You know, although the college doesn't provide a lot of the different resources that we need, it creates that ability of critical thinking, problem solving. Right? Although you don't have the resources you have need at your fingertips, you have to make do with what you already have.
Yeah.
You have to control
Yeah.
what you can control and let go of what you can. And so all of those different things have helped me not only just grow here in PTK in the organization, but also help grow as a person, as a leader, being able to help being able to help the community, help my peers, you know, and creating a bond with our members, you know, and that community as well.
Yeah.
So
That's good because that way when you go to the bigger colleges, you know how to manage your finance or whatever because you have already started it from here. Like you said, it's very limited here and you have to work with it. And so when you go there, you have all this thing. But you've already experienced that, Veronica. Is there anything else, Veronica, you would like to say before I see our time is almost up?
Well,
so an encouragement also to our
yes, if you are thinking of joining, please do. We don't bite. We have a lot of opportunities, and this is a great way to, if you're new to the college, a great way to meet new people, to have a better experience rather than the rumors. And if there's anything, just please ask.
let
us know.
Saili le Queenie. You had anything to say before we close?
Nee, Tyler.
Ke loa
Thank
Queenie
you for
ko
having us.
kikingei koe mai loa PTKE o makwa alu male ako kalongoa Queenie wala o maasangi ma open out ele mo flash o PTK lo sunga Kuki pe ASCC me te fisau no aia ele
e toa whaama tō whea o whawhautu o le society so pe waula le tai ia le matou vasinga o whea o whawhautu ia ma le sunga fōma ia Eunice Yuli ia o le sunga whea o ia Albete mo inu ia ma sunga whea o ia Adrian Vasai o mātola ne o lo
Veronica
mātola ia lo whawhautu le vaenga ia tele laronga luenga e whaia e latou
yo tua ia
tu ia e lau te o e whono whai o lato whutanga mtam whai whai i ona whaari mai le ia mātou whautu ai rua
wa la tau le ai organizinga foi le ia la whea ka o se pēo mai ia you know candidates foi ngi o la ko le organizinga le ia o mele le mea nga
o latou malisi whala
debates
o le asfarele la nei la whai se sauninga e whaatauto ai tō tino fō ua alipitika o le induction ceremony
o fia members
e sfulima la members ia la whaatauto le asfarele
o ka kai manga
ia o le
wa e tauna whaau le affiliate point
tolu tes mali lima so 3.5 so ia fu una ia fu la fana wa onga ia tomu fai e nga due
ma ia tau fio points
le 3.5 po le tolu tes mali lima ia una apalai mai la ia I PTK na mpai go le ona un fale mai e fai matotino tato society nei tato kulisi mana ia telele o leva ho mga mai PTK ni Veronica ia ale pisia o kuke ke se yo nga poloka lama la po e paisi nga poloka lama for Easter Easter so I have to Saili le Atamai has to bring you up here also to talk about that so now famo kela ko pisia famo kela ko pisia o ele ai la lo nga ke ele ke se fakawai but anyway I want to thank you so much for taking your time out. And I told Kuki, just tell Daniel and I, you know, we'll be available. We'll make sure that because this is one of the programs here at ASCC that is very important. You guys are, you know, right there at the top, and you're thinking very high, being to become leaders and things like that. And we need our other students to see that, you know. But on behalf of President Dr.
Rose Van Pato, I would like to thank you very much, Kuki Fafkaya. Every time I email Kuki, if I lo boss or something, ko sa foi Kuki fa nga Kuki ali polo kalama le esen mga yung mga Kuki foi a fia e fa sala lawa ku ya tutuila mamanua. Inga wenga le lei al kodisi tu fa atasi o lo o faia inei mapsanga. O na isi polo kalama, ele pia lang o Kuki ay wa masangi. You know, he's very sociable. Wailoa ka nga, people person. Nga sawa Queenie, next time you come, what people person? Away ke shy, wailoa. Pio Don, ma Veronica. Sa shy boy Veronica, gaming in. But anyway, ole tomo faya o mai nei faya o ngai o mai tata no la ko pulo kama de ya me ese que le fi o fanga nga ngati bi se que le fi ya you know, but it's all good for our people and for our students. Kuki, again, thank you so much for bringing PTK up to Saili le Atamai. Ya tutuila mamanua ya o ta sinna pulo kalama pe o kalangoa aku ai le makaka ko polo kalama e kaua o nga polo kalama ine e tato kuristu fatasi tasi le polo kalama mata o tia tawa ona o tamaiti wow sia ia average lunga mawalunga ine tato kuris ya de oi lo e le future ke ia o ko vanga ia don ake o silver Veronica mai ai le te la wo LT ai fa mai ai sa o Queenie mai la chief of staff ka ia vai la ia ai nga amaka uma kwa ingel ka ko listo fatasi ia ai talo sia ia o to fia fo ima fa alongolongo mai fo nei polo kalama tato ko listo fatasi a fai lava o ese upu wa le longo maali e lau whafonga anga te tuila mamanua. Ia malu a e whale lo whengalo wa o Fatima fo mina Langkilde to whaasui fua.